Hello, this is Lakeside News. A commuter class 29,000 has crashed on a junction near the Copper Year Bridge. This one trip heading for the Tyler the Creator Igor album has crashed, leaving devastating damage. So far there has been no casualties, but the damage is adding up to 50 emeralds so far. 2 medical helicopters have been deployed to the scene, treating people. And the railway official of Lakeside has shut its tracks until further notice. They would have been shut anyway after the supposed storm had wiped everything out nearly. This is Zaka Spotter. Thank you for watching.